kids eat for free day, so don't forget to clean the high chairs, all right?
Don't worry about a thing, Deedsy. I'll take care of everything. You go. You have a good time.
I'll miss you. Bye, Jen.
Smell you later, Murph.
Hey, Dean! Give us a card!
On my way to the big city for a business trip. Never ever left Mandrake Falls before. Ain't that a pip? But while I'm gone, I know I'll miss you all a lot.
So bring your rich butt back here and buy us all a shot!
You got it, pal. Oh, see you, Daisy.
The biggest story of the year, and we've got nothing? Do you people want to be tabloid journalists? Because I don't think so. You've got to be ruthless. When I started out, I slept in Tom and Roseanne's dumpster for 2 days, disguised as a giant carton of ice cream.
I got it! My source at Blake says the company helicopter took off from there this afternoon with 2 male passengers aboard, headed for Mandrake Falls.
Where?
That's some little hick-ass town in New Hampshire. But now they're on their way back with 3 male passengers.
That's one more.
Duh! That third guy's our heir. Nice work, Marty.
They were supposed to arrive at Blake Media at 5, but they made an unscheduled stop in Connecticut.
I'm so happy I got the Big Bacon Classic. Thanks for stopping, buddy. This is unbelievable.
Happy to do it, Dean.
How's that frosty treating you, Cecil? You got some in your beard. I'm just kidding you. I got him big time there.
I'm going on the air in 2 hours' time, and I want that guy's life story by then. I'm talking to you, Jim, and I'm also talking to you, Babe. Babe? Where the hell's Babe?
You missed another staff meeting. Mac's pissed.
Well, he's not gonna be pissed when I crack this Blake story.
What do you got?
Nothing. Do you have anything?
Well, a lot more in a few hours.
Marty, you gotta be a pal. I need this story. I'm flat broke and Mac is gonna fire me.
How are you flat broke? You make more money than anyone here. What'd you blow it on?
Shoes.
I'll tell you everything I know over lunch tomorrow, as long as your club promoter boyfriend doesn't try to run me over with his motorcycle again.
You're safe there. Ken and I kind of, we're taking a break.
Really? So he moved out? Babe, what are you staying here for? I have a spare bedroom.
We tried that once, remember? I woke up and you were standing over my bed, breathing heavily.
I was having an asthma attack. I couldn't find my puffer.
Oh, easy, fellas. Or the Biggie Fries are making a comeback. You guys football fans? I think the Pats could take the conference this year. I mean, the Dolphins are overrated and the Jets are choke artists.
I wouldn't say that, Mr. Deeds.
Just Deeds. Why is that, though?
You own the Jets, Deeds.
I do? Whoa. That sucks. Jeez, I hope they don't play the Pats in the playoffs or I'll have to kill myself.
I'm still very worried about this.
What do you got in that pipe, hashish? You're paranoid. This guy is perfect for us.
What if he won't sell us his shares?
If I got Preston Blake to trust me with his company, I can get this moron to do the same.
I mean, look at him.
This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door. And I'm floating in a most peculiar way. And the stars look very different today.
Oh, here am I sitting in a tin can.
That's right, Anderson.
Far above the world.
Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do. Oh, danger, 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 enough! Party pooper. Holy cow. What's up, New York? It's an honor to come to the greatest city in the world.
Congratulations, Deeds. You're now the most eligible bachelor in New York.
Oh, geez, I don't want to meet a girl just because I'm wicked rich.
Well, that's nice, but let's see how you stick to your guns once you paid a visit to one of our many fine gentlemen's clubs.
What? My father saved my mother. She was figure skating and fell through the ice. Always thought I'd meet a girl kind of the same way, some bull spit like that.
Well, then I'll just keep a lookout for ladies in distress, as it were.
That'd be nice.
Hey, Mandrake Falls! Security, stop that guy! Stop!
He's gonna get 100 grand for that picture. It'll be all over the news in an hour.
Well, he deserves it with those James Bond moves he just pulled.
Now he deserves to get his throat cut. The filthy spy. Come on, let's go.
So this is where my uncle lives?
Yes, sir, for the last 35 years of his astonishing life.
Boy, you kind of snuck up on me there.
I am very, very sneaky, sir.
I see that. My name's Deeds.
I am Emilio, sir. I am your servant.
Servant? I don't want a servant, but you want to be my friend? I'll take that.
Friends. Yes, good friends. Would you like to go down to your apartment, sir? I'm sure it's been an exhausting day.
That okay with you, Chuck?
Oh, you'll be safe there. It'll take us a couple of days to get the papers drawn up for you to sign. And go make yourself at home.
Terrific. Later.
I will be with you shortly, sir.
You got it. Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Deeds.
I'm Ruben, sir.
This is a wicked nice elevator.
Keep an eye on him, Emilio, or it's your ass.
It's nice to see you too, sir.
So how's the elevator business treating you, Ruben?
Oh, it has its ups and downs.
All right. That was good. Jeez, Crow, how'd you get down here so fast?
Sneaky, sneaky, sir. Right this way.
Wow. Wow.
Is something the matter, sir? That's an echo, sir.
Yeah, you try it.
Me, sir?
It's a lot of fun.
Woo!
Come on, you can do it louder than that. Ho, serious.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, buddy, how you doing? You want to give it a shot?
Boop!
Nice. You guys want to join us? Make a weird noise. That was a great time. Well, I'm kind of tired. I'd like to go to sleep if I could.
This way, Mr. Deeds.
Thank you very much. Good night, everyone.
Good night, Mr.